from the time I joined or teamed up with WYCOTAX, I had a lot of stress on me, running the store, taking care of finances, marketing and whatnot, and bookkeeping, and was one thing that was really, I mean, it was taking most of my time. And from the time I joined WYCOTAX, that was just like such a relief on my end that I don't have to worry about those things. And also, like, not just taking care of bookkeeping, I would say that with Chris and his team, I got such a good support. Like any question regarding his business related, regarding its, helping any kind of assistance we need in terms of business, WYCOTAX is always there. And I mean, I'm really, really grateful of Chris and his entire team for supporting us from the time we joined them. And it's been a great help.
The more that we help you grow, everybody will grow.
Absolutely.
And main advocacy is putting you in the front line because your success is our business.
Hello, hi, good morning. Thank you for joining us today. We're going to be going over a lot of special things that comes with the benefit or is a benefit of having your bookkeeping up to date, of having all of your financial documents, statements already lined up, securely filed, so it can be presented and it will only benefit you and will be the best for your business. We're gonna be going over some of those strongholds of having your financial statements, financial reports always ready and organized. It is just a vital part of having a business. A lot of people may not know this, may not recognize it as it is, but having everything organized, that is your business's reports, financial statements, very, very important to have, not only for everything like grants, financial assistances, but mostly and most importantly for yourself, for the business owner, so you can know exactly where your business is. So you know what it is, what financial decisions, business decisions can be made for your business, and what it is that your business really has improved on, what it is it can improve on. It is just something that's very important to know about your business. You don't want to be blindsided with a situation where you didn't even think was possible. Let's say you are getting out of funds, you didn't even know. It is very important to know what health your business is at. If you see here on the screen, these are all of the opportunities, all of the assistances that have been able to be obtained by the businesses, business owners, small businesses especially. Very important for everybody to know what it is. If maybe they got one EIDL but do not have the share work program, we can go ahead and let you know about this. Another one is a tax credits and deductions, all brand new 2020. 2020 is a brand new year. So brand new tax credits, brand new deductions, additional from the ones that you probably know that you can already get. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave us a message, leave us a comment, so we can go ahead and reach you right after this webinar and see how it is that we can assist you and your business. If you don't have time to watch the entire webinar or maybe have missed the previous one, you can always go into our YouTube page, typing in WYCOTAX, and all of the previous ones up to this day are going to be there ready for you to watch the first time, or maybe watch it again if you want to review it. Always going to be a free of cost, absolutely. WYCOTAX has always been focused on giving the most information free, of course, first and foremost to the small businesses around our community. Now, a quick disclaimer before I begin. This material has been prepared for informational purposes only. It is not intended to provide and should not be relied on for tax, legal, or accounting advice. Examples and other materials in this webinar are only for illustrative purpose and should not be relied upon for technical answers. WYCOTAX is an outsourced tax, payroll, and bookkeeping company. WYCOTAX is not associated with any institutions in this presentation, and it's a private business providing resources for small businesses. So a quick webinar agenda. It's gonna be about 30 minutes, a little bit less. Also, like I said, if you have any questions, I encourage you to go ahead and type it away in the comments, and WYCOTAX, we will be happy to reach out to you and assist you with any questions that you may have. Also, in our website, there is a free PDF of this presentation. You can have it, download it, keep it in your files so you can go ahead and have a copy of it and review it whenever you have time, or maybe you would like to review it again. And of course, any questions, if you don't maybe want to comment, you can also just give us a text to our easy to remember phone number, 425-9926, and we'll be happy to help you out, have communication with you, and see it is where your business can benefit. So the 5 major key points of having your bookkeeping up to date, having it organized. Now, Miss Gloria, she is a sole proprietor of her restaurant and has been open for over 10 years. She has 2 business locations now and a full-time mom, and she is not able to organize her books. So she hired WYCOTAX to assist her in this service. What are the benefits of updated books and tax reports on the current COVID-19 situation? We know that this current times, it is a struggle, but also times for opportunities. Why? Because there is so many opportunities that can be given to you and your business. Of course, just as long as you meet the requirements, if you have your bookkeeping up to date, because this is always going to be asked for whenever you turn in these applications. Every lender is gonna want to take a look to see if your business, first and foremost, is eligible to get these loans. And if it is a loan, can you pay it back? That's what they want to know. They don't want to just give out money and then risk of not being able to see if they can get it back. So that's why all of these bookkeepings, all of these financial reports are just vital to be kept up to date so you can have all of these assistances. Now, the benefits. Does this pandemic, is it so hard? Is it giving you a chill in your spine? It is a conspicuous thing that you would feel that work pressure this year. Maintaining accounts, checking balances, and tallying totals with the financial archives are a portion of essential tasks that you should do before documenting taxes. Bookkeeping is always important, and it's always easier to keep it up to date every month. Let's say, for example, update it so at the end of the year, you don't have to be very overloaded with work of having to do bookkeeping for 12 months. It is very easy to do it little by little, keep track of it every month. So at the end of the year, you have an easier task of just finalizing, putting the year-end bookkeeping, the reconciling, just zip it up, finalize it, and it's ready to go. There is a severe need to manage all of these accounts because the scarcest mistakes can create so many barriers of issues for you. Financial accounting management is the most crucial task that has to be handled with the most extreme care. All of these financial tasks, accounting management, it is a very tedious task to keep on going and to do. So if you have a business to take care of, more likely than not, you want to give this task to a professional that specializes in this. This is just one of the things where you can go ahead and give off these tasks so you can focus on your business, what it needs, maybe expanding it, focusing on your clients, and leave these other tedious jobs that are still a requirement to those that specialize in doing such things. The first one is it facilitates economic injury loans, paycheck protection programs, grants, other loan applications a whole lot faster. Whether you are applying to the SBA, lenders, or bankers, they will all need an updated tax return and an updated financial statement. Financial statements are vital documents needed for all of these situations. Like I was saying earlier, the banker, the lender wants to know where it is that your business is at. How much can it lend your business? Will it be able to get these loans back if it does loan into your business? These are just questions that the lender is asking itself, and it needs to get these reports, updated reports, turned into them so they can analyze it, review it, and give you an answer. If these updated returns are not done, if they're not finalized, they will need to be finalized before you turn in these applications. So like I said, financial assistances, free money that is out there, it is a requirement to have your bookkeeping up to date. Number 2, peace of mind in times of an IRS audit. Generally, the IRS can include returns filed within the last 3 years in its audits. If they identify a substantial error, they may add additional years. If they find that maybe they need to review not just 1 year, but several years because they see that there are mistakes or there's a lot of transactions that don't appear to be correct, then that's when they can request additional years to audit. So it is very important to have your bookkeeping set up. So in case there is an audit, all you have to do is respond to the audit, work with the IRS with the current year. If you have them all up to date, then it's going to be a faster audit. The IRS may not want to spend a lot of time with you because they see that you are actually organized. So they may conclude that you know what you're doing. Everything that you have submitted on the tax return appears to be correct. So they will move on from your audit case. You do not want to be or appear to be a whole mess in bookkeeping in case you are audited. This is going to result in additional years of an audit. Accordingly, most audits will be of returns filed within the last 2 years. They will check all documentations of income and expenses, especially cash transactions due reported on a tax return. Number 3, you can easily identify whether you are making or burning money. Most business owners wrap their heads on selling and getting new clients, but do not find time to create a budget. You have to listen to your numbers and try to have a monthly or quarterly review of your financials. This is where I was saying where keeping your bookkeeping up to date is going to tell you where it is that your business is at in the financial aspect. Is it growing? Is it staying still? It's not improving. It's not producing enough income compared to the expenses. Maybe it's even losing money the last couple of months. If you have your bookkeeping up to date, you will get an alert from this just by reading the bookkeeping, the documents. So like I said, having these reports up to date, having them organized, is going to tell you where your business is at. Can you make the additional investment, or maybe you need to hold off in time before you make that decision because you need to, of course, create the sales, create the profit before you make it. These are answers that only updated books can deliver. Number 4, you can save money on taxes. Once you have an organized books, you can easily open tax sheltered accounts. This step will help you lower your year-end tax liability and have more retirement income. Again, this is going to tell you where your business is at. If you can add the investment, if you can add the tax sheltered accounts, this can be answered, of course, by looking at your books. If you have a whole mess in your books, you haven't been filing taxes the last 2 years. Why? Because your bank statements you cannot keep track of them. You don't know where you're at, how much income you had, how much expenses you have. This is where not only the IRS audits are gonna appear, but also this loss of money. You're gonna be losing even additional money. You're not gonna be saving on those additional credits, deductions that the IRS wants to give you, but you are just not taking them because you don't have your bookkeeping up to date. This is money where WYCOTAX would like to assist and give it right back to you, because as a business owner, we know that you spend a whole lot of money, more money than you anticipated at first. So you would like to get at least a reward for it. There's a lot of deductions, refundable tax credits for business owners, tax sheltered accounts, but this can only be done if your bookkeeping is up to date. That's the very first step to have all of these opportunities. Number 5, you can identify when to put yourself on payroll, when you can go ahead and start contributing to your Social Security, Medicare, and of course have all of these other payroll tax sheltered accounts. At the very first year or 2 of your business, you can do owner's withdrawal. However, if your business started to have a net income of at least 50 grand, you need to start considering putting yourself as an employee. Just a reminder, you need to check your business structure before issuing yourself a reasonable salary. Why it is that you may benefit by putting yourself as an employee? Like I said, you can contribute Social Security, Medicare, payroll, tax shelter accounts. But also this is an additional recognized business expense. Owner's withdrawals, if you are not on the payroll, whenever you take out money to pay yourself, this is considered an owner's withdrawal to the IRS. And owner's withdrawals are not considered as tax deductions. Keep that in mind. If you are taking out money every month to, have personal expenses as a business owner, if you're not on the payroll, then these expenses are not going to be considered as business expenses. So just keep in mind, whenever you see yourself that you have take-home money, then you need to already start asking yourself, can I put myself on a payroll? Can I pay myself a reasonable salary? Can I start benefiting from being an employee of my business? Having the bookkeeping up to date, having everything set up, organized, is going to give you all of these benefits, all of these answers, all of these, of course, money saving strategies. So let us, WYCOTAX, if you have a question, reach out to us and we can assist you, see what it is that your business may be needing, what it is, maybe a bookkeeping task that it's lacking on, and we will be happy to assist you. Now, Ms. Gloria sees that she has all of these benefits. So that's what she gets of hiring somebody that has experience, that wants the best for her, that wants to see her succeed. In WYCOTAX, we can only do progress if we see our clients succeed. That is the main focus that we have as WYCOTAX. We would like to put the clients, of course, be the first ones to have all of these deductions, be the first ones to get these grants, the first ones to get the free money before anybody else gets it. So let us assist you and contact us for a free quote. We will be happy to see where it is that your business can improve on the most on saving money. Now, Ms. Gloria, she currently has 10 employees on payroll besides herself. Are there any payroll incentives that she can benefit from? Right now, we all know that there was a big increase in the unemployment rate. Therefore, there was big credits given to businesses that actually keep their employees on the payroll. So if you have employees, if you have been keeping them on the payroll throughout 2020 or some months on 2020, we're going to be going over how your business can receive some refundable credits just by having the employees on the payroll. Now, 5 benefits now of getting a whole business bundle, which is income tax, payroll, and bookkeeping services all together. Peace of mind. You don't deal with the IRS. We are a certified IRS agent. Let us assist you with this. Also, you save headaches, you save time, you save money. Time and money is always something that the businesses always want more of. So let us help you out, and we will be happy, of course, to be with you and your business and see it progress. Let it be on the right path into success. And WYCOTAX starts for worry-free, year-round, always open from the 1st of January, last of December. Competent, more than 20 years of combined experience, is always on time of reporting these taxes, reporting the financial reports to the lenders, so you and your business can get the most out of what it has put in of work on this year 2020. WYCOTAX has been humbling receiving these certificates, these awards, for always keeping the community on the front line, always assisting taxpayers, businesses. Our main offices are only in Brownsville and Harlingen, but we do assist in the whole state of Texas. We do also serve our clients during the whole US. So you can always give us a call and we will be happy to assist you wherever it is that you may be at, assist you, save money, whatever state money, city money. A lot of grants also been giving out on that level. If you have any questions, please feel free to always reach out to us. It's going to be free of cost. We will be happy to assist you, respond to you, and see where you and your business can benefit on the most. So we're going to be going over, like I said, next week on how your business can improve by having the employees on payroll. Having your bookkeeping up to date, of course, we already know all of the benefits of that. Get the most money back from what you have spent on your business. So I hope everybody has a great start of the week, and see you all next week, same time, to see where your business can keep on improving. On behalf of WYCOTAX, goodbye.